स्टूडेंट, आज बुक कीपिंग एंड बेसिक अकाउंटिंग में न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट होता है, यानी डेप्रिसिएशन। स्टूडेंट, ये आपका 4th यूनिट का टॉपिक है, यानी हिरास। देखिए, फिक्स्ड एसेट विद द एक्सेप्शन ऑफ द लैंड आर यूज फॉर ओनली ए लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, and the cost of fixed asset is allocated as an expense of the years in which it is used. Accountants use the term depreciation to describe this gradual conversion of the cost of a fixed asset into expense. Depreciation, it means depreciation as the term is used in accounting does not mean the physical deterioration of an asset. Neither does depreciation mean the decrease in market value of a fixed asset over a period of time. Depreciation means the measure of the exhaustion of the useful life of an asset owing to use the obsolescence during a given period. Definition according to R. N. Carter. And depreciation is the gradual and permanent decrease in the value of an asset from any cause. It means जैसे कि depreciation is charged on fixed asset only. Depreciation decrease only the book value of an asset, not the market value. Depreciation is charged on the permanent basis and it is charged on continuous basis. Charge of depreciation will decrease the value of asset. स्टूडेंट, देखिए नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट होता है, कॉजेज ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन। द प्रिंसिपल कॉजेज ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन आर एज फॉलोज। नंबर 1, बाई constant use. It means wear and tear of an asset due to its constant use, a cause of decline in the value of an asset. A fixed asset begins to lose its value when it used in the business. For example, plant and machinery, building furniture, etc. Number next 2, yani by expiry of time. The value of majority asset decrease with the passage of time, whether they are used in the business or not. Natural forces such as rains, winds, weather, etc. contributes to the deterioration of their values. Number 3, by obsolescence. Some assets are discarded before they are bought, but because of change condition, for example, an old machine which is still workable may have to be replaced by a new machine because of later being more efficient and economical. Such a loss of account of new invention or change fashion is termed as loss on account of obsolescence. Next, by depletion. Some acid like mineral mines, oil wells, etc. get exhausted or depleted through working on account of continuous extraction of minerals or oil. It stays come when the mine or well get completely exhausted and nothing is left. Number 5, by accidents. An asset may meet an accident and therefore it may get depreciation in its value. Number 6, by permanent fall in market price. Though the fall in the market value of fixed asset are not recorded because such assets are not meant for resale but for use in the business. Sometimes the fall in the value of certain fixed asset is treated as depreciation. For example, permanent fall in the value of investment. Next or last, changes in economic environment. They may be instances when a total slacking of demand for the service of an asset may bring about a fall in its value. Such a change in conditions arises due to a number of factors. For example, technological changes within an industry, changes in taste and habits of consumers, changes in availability of natural resources एंड सो ऑन. स्टूडेंट देखिए इसके बाद आता है इसका नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, यानी कि नीड्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स और सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग डेप्रिशिएशन. स्टूडेंट देखिए नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है इसका नीड्स और significance of providing depreciation. The following are the objectives of providing depreciation, such as ascertainment of true profit or loss. Depreciation being a loss will certainly affect the business profit. Therefore, to arrive at the true profit or loss, depreciation must be provided for and recorded in the books of accounts. Number 2, presentation of true financial position. In a balance sheet, assets must be shown at their true value. This is not possible unless depreciation is deducted from the value of these assets. Number 3, creation of funds for replacement of asset. Some assets used in the business need replacement after the expiry of their service life. By providing depreciation, a part of the profit of the business is kept in the business, which can be used for purchase of new asset on the old fixed asset becoming unless. Number 3, creation of funds for replacement of asset. Number 4, student, calculation of correct cost of production. Correct cost of production cannot be calculated unless depreciation is properly provided and accounted for as an item of cost of production. Number 5, prevention on withdrawal of capital. Capital of a business remains invested in different assets. If no depreciation is charged, asset and capital are shown at enhanced figure. Due to such misrepresentation, capital itself may be withdrawn in the guise of imaginary profit. Number 6, excess payment of income tax. Depreciation accounting is required to be made for calculating correct profit for tax purposes and for computation of tax liability. Otherwise, more income tax will be paid on account of excess profit. Number 7, to prevent distribution of dividend out of capital. If depreciation is not provided, the profit of business is more than actual profit. The excess profit will be withdrawn by proprietor or paid to shareholders in form of dividend. It means dividend has been paid out of capital. So factors, next topic है ये factors affecting the amount of depreciation. Calculation of depreciation is a difficult work. Following 3 basic factors are of utmost importance in the calculation of depreciation. Number 1, total cost of production. The cost of asset includes the invoice price of the asset less any trade discount plus all cost essential to bring the asset to a usable condition. In other words, cost includes all expenses up to the installation of the asset. For example, जैसे कि freight, carriage, installation charges, etc. Number 2, estimated use of life of asset. This is represented by number of years of the estimated serviceable life span of an asset. Thus, if an asset is expected to last of 15 years before completely losing its useful for business operation, its life is taken to be 15 years. Number 3, estimated scrap value of asset. The term scrap value means the residual or breakup or salvage value which is estimated to be realized on account of the sale of the asset at the end of its useful life. An important part in this connection is that an asset may not necessarily have a scrap value. For example, a leasehold property. स्टूडेंट आज के लेक्चर में डेप्रिसिएशन की मीनिंग, उसके कॉजेज़ और उसके सिग्निफिकेंस और उसके फैक्टर्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.